G'day guys, 2Aussie here. What's cracking? Well, you won't believe what I'm going to make today. A pizza. You guys are going to think all I do is eat pizza, but the thing is, these are just pizzas I like to make at home. And this one is going to be well, I call it a Bolognese pizza with a Bolognese beef, like I would make for a spaghetti Bolognese. A bit of capsicum, oregano, and some chili. So it's a little bit of a hot one, not too hot because it's only the chili, no jalapenos or anything. And it's a quite easy one. So after this pizza, there's only one more I want to do after that, and that's probably a garlic pizza. And then that's it, guys. That's all the pizzas I've got, unless I do Domino's or Pizza Hut or something like that. A little bit of a review. So guys, I'll show you the ingredients and we'll get on with the pizza. I'll do a little bit of time lapse again like I normally do, so it doesn't drag on too much, and we're going to have a great little pizza here. Well, these are the ingredients. We've got some Bolognese beef that I made up, same as I would make for a spaghetti Bolognese. Already made the sauce up with some tomato, what's it called again? Tomato paste. We've watered down a bit to make it into a puree. Probably a teaspoon of sugar in there and a teaspoon of minced garlic, some oregano, basil. We got some capsicum, red capsicum, but you can use any type you like. I just like the red ones, and some pizza cheese. So guys, there's a pizza base, of course, from my usual favorite place, Aldi. So I'm not going to put all that Bolognese beef on. I'll use that for 2 pizzas. I'll make another one in a couple of nights because I've got 2 pizza bases. But anyway, guys, I'll get on to this and show you how it goes, and I'll do a little bit of time lapse, and then you'll see a great tasting little pizza. So that's the pizza complete. Looking pretty good. Pretty basic pizza, but it tastes pretty good. So I'll whack it in the oven. The oven's preheated. Give it about 15-20 minutes. I'll just keep checking it, and we'll have a beautiful brown crispy pizza. So here it is, the 2Aussie Bolognese pizza. Looks fantastic. Like I said, guys, don't be stingy with the oregano. Put on heaps because it gives it a nice flavour. And also, there's not going to be too many more pizzas, but I would like to do a garlic pizza that I make, which is quite simple, but it's a good little pizza you can put with other things as well. Anyway, guys, time for the taste test. Beautiful. I know every pizza I make I say, oh, it's fantastic, oh, it's the best. This is actually the one I make the most, and I do like it. It's fantastic. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, blah blah blah. You know the drill. Probably most of you won't even be watching the end of the video, so just remember, you can never be too Aussie. Hooroo.